are all... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing something a little different. So I've done a video on the brand Simply Gilded, but this time we're going to be doing a video on their Easter baskets, which is a product that they release every single year around Easter and is very themed around Easter. To have a fun event for their customers, they have an event called a virtual egg hunt, where you go on their lawn page of their website, and every so often a batch of egg baskets will drop, and then when it drops you can add it into your cart and you can check out. So that is how they have done a virtual egg hunt, and I think they've done it every year for the past several years, but the date that they do it changes. I've heard stories that it used to happen on the weekend of Easter, but then the scheduling was really bad for customers. So this year I can see that it is quite early from Easter, I think, so she can give everyone time to dedicate to their family for Easter and to prepare for this event. The contents every year are a little bit different. I think the value of this is $80, but you bought it for $35, and this year it comes in this beautiful box. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Inside you have some blue confetti and the contents. The first item I see is this giant pet tape. It's like folk artsy. It's kind of like the style that Arch & Olive chose for their winter quarterly box. It's just different scenes of countryside, I think. This is the chocolate bunny that is indicative of Easter. Sorry, I don't know the history behind Easter, so a lot of these, because I don't personally celebrate Easter either, so I'm not sure if this is related to the origin story of Easter. Okay, so I don't know why, but some washi came in this plastic bag, and then there's, I think it broke during transit, so there's a lot of stuff just floating around. These are all the washi tape you get inside of the box. I'll just go through them one by one. So this 10mm one is the same style as the pet tape, except it is on a opaque background. It seems to be some sort of mint color, and it has bows and flowers on it. Next up, I don't know why, but it looks like I got two, like a duplicate of it. So these two are the exact same of each other. And this is 15mm, and it shows the different, it's the same folksy art style, and it just shows a bunch of different houses. And there's like chickens on the lawn. Then we have this design, which is of the two chocolate bunnies looking at each other, along with the folksy art around it. And then lastly, we have this set of, I think on their website it's called the Stardust washi, where there's just shimmer and lots of flakes on the top depending on how you're using it, but I always heard this as the top part, and it's just this vibrant orange color. And it seems a little random for the theme. I don't know why she picked this color. She also included this acrylic clip which says nom nom nom. This character is called Jasper. We also have this Jasper the Bear washi tape stand. And if you've never seen something like this, you take this part and you attach it to the base, and then on this line you can put all the different washi that you're currently using or you want to display. And now I'm moving on to the stickers. This is the sampler that you get. You get a sampler with every order, but this is obviously themed to the event. These are her heart-shaped icons. So weirdly enough, it seems that I've gotten 3 copies of the exact same pattern, but the paper feels different for each one. So this one is more of a vinyl. It's not see-through. This is a more opaque sticker paper. Then I seem to have 2 washi sheets, but this one is thicker. This one is more flimsy. Got the washi paper, and this is the more sturdy washi paper. So I'm not entirely sure if this was intentional or not, because it seems like a weird choice. Then we have the 5-page sticker kit. Her sticker kit is supposed to have 4 sheets, but I got a duplicate of this sheet for some weird reason. I really like the colors of this kit. Like, I wasn't expecting to see all of this rainbow, but I think it's very happy, and I do really like the folk artsy design that she chose. So this one had all your to-do lists and banners. The sheet has your quarter boxes and headers. This is the days of the week and some half boxes, and then this is your full boxes. And then you have another set of heart icons, which is very confusing because I'm not really sure why we received this one too. Sorry about the horrible lighting, but this is just in This is just an overview shot of everything that I got in the basket. You have, oh, I forgot to mention that I got this journaling card. You always get this with every single order. This is the washi tape stand. These are the 3 duplicate deco sheets. This is all the washi tape, the sampler, the acrylic clip, the pet tape, 2 heart icon stickers, and the 4-page sticker sheet that actually includes a duplicate. So that is everything that you can get in this year's Simply Gilded Easter basket. The selection was a little weird, but I also have never really gotten the Easter basket in previous years, but I do wonder why we got so many duplicates. Like, I'm not sure why there was 2 of the exact same washi, and then there was 3 of the same sheet, and then for the sticker kit, I can only assume that that is some sort of manufacturing error. But I really do like the art style for this kit, so I am happy with what she had. I do remember last year it was more of a vintage design for the Easter bunny. Like, it was more, it's like when you see old Christmas cards, it was kind of in that style, and I think I prefer this style. Well, I like both, but this one is definitely more vibrant. If you want to participate next year, make sure you subscribe to the Simply Gilded newsletter, because they'll tell you when the event is starting, and you should also join the Facebook group because they also tell you when the event is starting. In terms of price, it is definitely worth $35 because just on the washi tape alone, I think this is probably like $5 on her site. But so I think the washi tape itself already pays for the whole kit, and I really like that she is expanding more into pet washi tape because it's just really useful. So I would say this is good value for money. So that is my whole review / unboxing of the Simply Gilded Easter basket for 2025. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!